Be you all the time. Don't listen to negative comments. Don't listen to negative vibes. Positive vibes only. Just do you. Be you. Do your thing. Leave who they craze, made they craze. Leave who they mad, made they mad. Focus. That's the decision I took 2022. And hey, it's already making ways for me. It's already breaking through for me. I'm no longer in that level of those people those lunatics. I've passed that level. The level where God don't place me now, nobody go fit take me come up for here. No evil shall do it. They no reach. Now God put me for this level. Now my talent, my grace, my kind-heartedness, my money, now put me for this position where I did so. So if it's easy, other people still do them now. So we don't take the bold step. We know they block road. We are not as devilish as they are. Those evil people will go day up. They don't want any other person reach there. We don't do it. We do our thing. So now God, now they run now. And I'm so happy. In fact, I'm so fulfilled. Fulfilling my dream. I'll come on live on a good day to talk about this whole thing because I never get time to talk about them all this while. Because I've been busy, I've been pursuing my dream, I've been meeting people, trying to break into the Nollywood industry fully. You know, the eastern part of the family have accepted me now. So now God, now they run now. No evil shall befall me. I go work finish. Before I even start work, alerts don't come. Wait till I say, make God do and not do. God has been faithful. So I'm not going to let negative people drag me back. Because all those people, when they talk about me, they don't reach the leg when I say hit ground. They don't reach. They no reach. They no reach at all. We are not of the same level and we can never be. It's not possible. So when somebody or people, when you big pass, they try to bring you down, you go move forward. Now when people when big pass you, they talk about you, they pay you for body. But when people when you big pass, they talk about you. Oh, to take carpet and drop a oh, to take carpet. I know say go say boy ya la saba, wa be ya we bonu wala saba. Aviya no kwa we bo nu wa la saba. Bo mana be ti la saba wa we bo ne mu gwa ni yan la saba. Do easy. Boy ya we bo abe ye bo ya we talent ya. Bo be ya arte film ya. If you are not good, nobody go give you job. When you are good, you are good. When you are not good, you are not good. So no be everything bo be ya we film ya. Bo be ya we acting. If you are not good, you are not good. If you are good, you're good. So because I am good, they accept me from east like this. And this is just the beginning for me. I never even start. Now back to back. Now God they run out. Except say una be God. Except say them be God. Now they will stop my shine. If they not be God, they not rich. When you are big, you're big. If you're big, you're big. Only one Ebony Obasui worldwide. Now only me they see a for people body. Mo pa si etalo ye ma gbe inu e wo si e ma si etalo ye gan gbe yen sun atalo I give thanks to God. Yes, so bestie. See location na bestie, see location. Bestie, see location. E akun abunu aka, see location. See location. Everywhere dope. It's a royal castle. They're mad. Baby, I just finished for today. Oh, I knocked a lot of scenes today because it was just about me. Of course, I'm going to maintain my stand. In the Nollywood industry, we die here. Being in industry, I too waste time for day. Truth be told, I too tay. And now I'm with you, no, not anymore. I hear a guy here. Except say maybe close person they do something. I hear a guy. Nah, Nollywood we day. Emana maje. I work competition. Everybody they work. They don't care what you they achieve. When I go check my colleagues' comment on my posts, wishing me well. I beg. When you are big, God don't do it for me. No so we no vie. Mo Ebony aka Ebony no see me ye na gbe. Ebony no see talo ye na gbe. Talo ila yan gbe. Ememe ila yan gbe. Etalo mo so la yan gbe na. Ememe mo so la yan gbe na. Ememe mo so la yan gbe. So long as it's Ebony, almost so talo she yan gbe. But me ma care. I don't give a fuck. No, nah. See, he gets some quarrel when all they finish. Oh, I must tell some of you. He gets some quarrel. If anybody, see, let me tell you guys this. Any quarrel will come out on social media. No settlement again. A settlement is here. My people, when I'm ready, when I'm set to fight back, they won't see it coming. No one might come, my people. No one. Oh, heck, I'm more. I say, my italogbe. And God, I go do everything. Me wait with the plan, make it rich. We don't step up now. God don't do one. Imagine, I just come, scripts line up, I dey walk back to back. What I say, may God do for me, may not do for me. If I say put in my shoe, was that what they were thinking? Was that what they were thinking? Those newsers? Those haters? That I will be like this? Why me amiari mo Ebony? Una forget. Make bodo one. Nemi be one. No see me one. You must craze for my matter now. Now God they run out for me because my heart too pure, too nice. Ya mi no make be the ya mi no one why the you. Why ya mi name of my money. I'll see Osabana bless me. Why why bother gbuwa? I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. People want to carry my matter for us for this Nollywood industry too plenty. I not be honest with the measure for social media. Why you so dying? You so we don't you dying? You are me on a wheel, but you are here for your colleague. Why they help this person? In you was a kid in my jail, but what must say? You have him with the joy, a zeno, in your keralije, in your kije, in your kegboy, dying. Even you know the muyaria. I want to win. I'm with Mary. I can not cover up. I want to marry in the area. 11 year wajina. That's the level we are. So guys, no, sometimes you need to talk to some people now. They need to know. They need to know. You know if you keep quiet like that sometimes now, you need to tell them say you they know what they do. You they hear their gist, you they get their talk. Has everybody gone? They are still around. They are still packing. Okay, so guys, now God na do one for me. Now God na run one for me. Igazunuga egbemeya. Ona mas Which outside? Igazunuga egbemeya. Ona masemeya kwamosame uwese. Igazunuga egbemeya. Ona maseme ya kwame baba uwese. Igazunuga egbemeya. Ona maseme ya kwame baba uwese. Igazunuga egbemeya. Ona maseme ya kwame baba uwese. Yes, I'm grateful to God. When I see my voice say, "Urune no yawe go abeya we go." About yawe the way we suspend it. Yawe go abeya we go. Yawe go abeya we go. The one washa, I first settled down for this time. First year that Osabo disgrace again. God must disgrace them. All those enemies in disguise, all those people who say they won't spoil my name and my family name, may their name be robbed in the mud, their name and their generation. Generational cursing, no. Omasunu wa ye Ebony. Generational cursing, all lelu wa se denu wa wu, all lelu wa. Wano wa get gbe oko me, wano we me gugwa na egwe, wano we eme family me gugwa na egwe. Generational cursing, no. O gugwa mo gugwa je o gugwa ye no gyomo. Edi ogaje. Why worry? Why you make? Why anyhow? Why? What the buna go to yera out? Una o yera. Una no worry. We are the look good. To no work body ma. To work work bese. My ma we no want so why because I go no me. If not, soon you are not rich. And it's so why I say me. But my man too good. Maybe because me magbe. Me I can't they go ask my people, okay, you finishing it, okay, now save wo no nanne. O save we ne ya nek bi yata, we are Yahweh. Ebony Yahweh. Egbe. Emi ro ba se ke no je na God on God. Omo no sagie agbon eihin. Omo no sagie eihin. Omo no sawe no do zowe gie agbon eihin. On ro ba ti mu megboto. Wa ma ho be ni ya na me se. Be ni ya zuo se online. Be ni ya fule gbian se. Je mu an. Ije ujo. Ije u mati. Ije zuzu. Because they not rich. Eba mana ye mo esaga. Eba mana ye amo awe. Then ni adoro me social media o aro a generation we. Ujo bi we. Uju hu we tai. U mana avo mo ju we tai. Uje mi no da we so ya tai. Ah? I went that be via by people. So I wanna wear me gin na egwe. Emi agbe ogbe omo gbe je ogbe yen no bi omo. Generational curse no all the lere variable awe do man wa fe David nu ka we no gbera u ya gwa lo tene gbo ehia u ma ke u jo ma zese jo e gba because u dan wa we so u dan e wa you don't deserve mercy as you boju wa ni bon o ya lu wa yeke ladia wa ni bu wa deserve na zio boju wa o ya lu wa yeke o ya lelati sabwa irumene o sa erumene ekwe mwega ne o gogo she o da o gogo no say wali bu wala re ni magwa na ya sinwa because we gwa sinwa wa o wa abi mo ame rubbish. Let me go and freshen up and rest for the day. This is the second room. I beg a room, I beg a location. I beg my people near here. God got my back already. Oh yeah, let's go. Now God they do one for me. No be mad they do one. Now they see mansion, I see castle. So guys, I need to go. I need to go home now. Tomorrow is another day. All right, guys. All right, people. Good night, guys. Good night. Where is PM? The fair guy. See you tomorrow. What about your new fan? Sorry? Oh, thank you, darling. Just the, who said he followed me and wrote something for me? Was it you? Yes. Okay, just inbox me. Shout out. Are you? I will do exactly what you said. Okay, you should follow me and DM me. My name is Ebony Obasi on Instagram. Alright, guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Good night. Love you guys. We love you too, guys. Happy people. Even a bear or east. Everyone of Bofo. Everyone who everyone is so bene. Everyone is you bow. I beg you more. Appreciating me. Money my rubbish. Why will no Sabah bless you? Sabah bless you. Why are you Bofo here? Bugawa. Good night, darlings. Good night, loves. Happy people. Rubbish people. Mona, not worry. Anybody will do any, I go see any. Na mad go do. Asaba yake have your born one Asaba. Yeah, all right, love. Good night. Asaba yake have your born one. Rubbish people. So guys, I gotta go now, okay? I gotta go. I love you guys so much. I love and respect some of you here on social media. You guys are amazing. But you see those people that have decided that now people happiness, they want to take till they make themselves happy. Don't that go fire them, fire their children, fire their unborn children, fire their generation, yet unborn. It's a generational curse. It's a generational curse. It will happen to them. They will suffer. Their children will suffer. Their children will come and suffer their sins. Ovinya ga latia. Iye gusuo, iye ga mwe bok bivian kia. Iye ga mwe bok bek bian, mwe bok bivian. Iviya ye hunde. Iviya yo bawa. Iviya iho hoa, iye izuwa wuwebu. Ma ya no when you get be okay body no your boss you. E family me. Bo agbiyan, ogbiyan, mo ogbiyan, je ogbiyan ye no gyomo. Ije do ya ta because ima oni vi gbo won we e mani bun hoho avec enikede. Ima oni ya we kenikede ma re un dabu sebo. So ni e ko ze wi ma. Ko ima oni ya we yeri na o abodo. So wow, never online because if you don't bung wa ma, if you don't make him ma, ave fancy me ya feni mo me no ma, iyan ma, egbe me ma, abo se me no mo me no ma, iyan ma. But okay, love. So ma bo abu dan je we school yan ma. Oh, sabo na disgrace yan. Sabo ma eso na disgrace yan. Even as one aguloji yan o no pa. Awe. Oma no we mi dam ye o. Oma no we mi si o mi o. Oma no we mi si o mi. Oma no we mi dam ye. Iwo oma no we mi si o mi o. Oma no we mi dam ye o. Oma no we mi si o mi. Oma no we mi dam ye. So if you don't ma, waya ma, waya to, even no ma here soon we gbuwa, uwa yokba wo imanu wa yeva wo imanu wa. But avi no udan, no we ya gegbe oho me, ohegbe me, ohigyo wa me, ohavo se me, ohema ya ni mogo me no ma. Uwa ya here fian wu. Uwa kian dewu. Uwa defian mu. Uwa kian dewu. Eve. O kian ga sobo wo wa. Mi ame. O kian ga sobo wo wa. Igbe imu oloroma. O se ka sogo. Ede no muna. Pado gba sejo. Ma ya no wi yan gegbe oke. Ovie wi yan. Iwi wa gie vesi o wian ason wa gbaseyo avan wa gbaseyo ason na de no muna eke ya ni ariri age o piano o hono no hiname na gio wa me na e ma no sikeme ebo agbian they've locked it for 9. What's the time? They've locked it. I saw they could lock her today. Hola. So away. We'll go past the other side. So guys, no, might block the person. That person when you talk, I might block her. Yeah, she's blocked. Dating her gear, and even block her. Give this one. Might roll on. Give me again. So guys, God bless you all. I appreciate you. I'm sorry you're not seeing me. I'm walking home because my place is not far from the location, so I'm very lucky today. But unfortunately, they've locked the entrance of the gate, so I need to go and pass it round. So guys, I really love and appreciate you all for your support, for your encouragement, for your love. For those of you that love me endlessly, I love you all right back. God will bless you all. God will support you in your time of need. But for those that are saying, Hey, I want to survive or make calm. We don't already lay cause of them. Very much tired. So guys, share this video. May it reach out to all those useless set of people when you need to see this video. We never even ready to do live video. More first settle down first. If we don't settle down first, many people day when we use state draw grant for this live video. We'll let them know say we do saga past them. We'll let them know say they don't know saga at all. But then all the evidence that they say they get, because all young all they play the show. I just they want to cover up some people for some personal reasons, because I'm matured, because I am a different human being. Because at the end of the day, when I in MSL, my affect me in any way, it blows on me, it grow. So their talk, no, they affect us in any way. When you are big, we don't big. I not be anybody mate. 70 years easy. 70 years, it's not easy. I just keep quiet because when you hear when the saga say so 50 view, 100 view, and so he post a picture one day, one comment, 5 likes. 24 hours, 5 likes. I beg, I love it talk, make I live there. I must say, may I focus my energy on my career. When no sabo wa bless him, no wa bless him, video. So because God they bless me, I go let go of some things. But it might have been oh. It might have been yeah. It might have no way me. It might have buwa. But it might have buwa oh. But he gone for some obvious reasons. So, but my buwa boy gone. They not use me popular on allow. So boy yeah post a picture. 5 days, 1 comment, 5 likes. I be their mates. They know say I don't be their mates now. They don't know. They know. Yeah, we are. I mean, you know, we live video have 100 views, 140 views. He wait me make him know with live video a day have 20,000 views. I be their mates. I not be their mates. So na mu akeke de na aledi. Amede sun ko me sun. Iyan ka wa exhausted gbiyan ne. E ga no ko aya sun yan ade la na. Eso adi activate Facebook. Me mo re ba ma mi me meta. No wa masu no re bebo gi me ko ma buni mi ari bebo gi. Umana do asa ya mo ebogbu e. Umana do kun ni mo ebogbu e. I'm an armor bug by a great a bug bomb and so my kind body. So guys, God love me. Oh no, God love me. Now this period I tell no, say God really loves me. The way he has opened door for me, the way he has supported me, the way he has been blessing me, the way my career has been blossoming me. It's overwhelming. God is just too faithful to fail. And I'm super excited. I'm super happy. I'm super honored. I'm grateful. Because if not for God, there would have been no me. So I'm super excited. So guys, I really love you all so much for your support, for your encouragement, for always being with me, for always fighting for me, for always reaching out to me. I'm grateful. Mona, no worry. As God they do it for me, I'll tell Una. Una deserve to know. Because when everything no still day well, Una still day there for me. So as everything still they go well, Una deserve to know. I better know say my live video they make her they cry. Not be Una they do live video for Mona get out. Here you carry. Una no need to watch me on live. Don't watch me. My live video is for my fans. My fans and followers that loves me so much. They are the one I'm doing live video for, not you guys. If you know you don't like my live video, please don't watch it again. Mona know they watch me for life again. Una never even see over Sabi now they talk. Where am I over Sabi? Oh, we are left. Where am I over Sabi? Mama is over Sabi. We never enter over Sabi level. If we enter, you'll run. But my fair block you first. Or there are some of you where they occupy space. You know if they occupy my space, when they talk rubbish. Yes. So guys, share this video. If you're hearing my voice right now, share this video. Share this video. Let it go viral. I love you guys. I want to see 300 shares on this live video. If you know you love me, if you know you care for me, you need to share this video. Make them know say I come on live. May haters they die. May one die, may die. May they say I say, nah, some for the shoot now. Everywhere pepper stew. Oh God, on God. Who God has blessed, no man can curse. I'm super excited and I'm happy. And that's the only thing that matters to me. My happiness. Thank God for giving me joy. Thank God for giving me happiness. I love you guys. One love. Please share. Good night, guys. I gotta go. Bye. Oh yeah, share. People should share it. People should share it. Good night. Share. Share the live video. Let it go viral. Share, and have a good night. I love you all. Bye.